What's up? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Build and Progress Racing. So, yes, if you guys are old to the channel, you know I used to have a 240 sitting right here. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, the like button, share with your friends, because we do side-by-sides now, build random crap, and we go racing, and we like to have fun. So, yes, 240 is gone. It used to sit right here, and it's to its new owner now. Big sad boy, but whatever, we got the new girl in. And today, it's always a good day when you have new parts. So yes, we are doing Beadlock rims. We're finally upgrading the rims from the 30-inch tires that came on it from Polaris to now, they're not really much, but 32-inch, we're doing a Beadlock rim from STI. Nice HD alloy rim. And yeah, it's all good stuff right there. Lightweight, heavy duty, and they have a good warranty. So that was the plus side. That's why I got them, except for like method wheels or something like that. They didn't break the bank. So today we have this last wheel. This is our last wheel going on. We have the rest of them built, and I'm going to go over how easy it is to actually put these things together. How to put single-sided Beadlock wheels together. How fast and straightforward they are. So yeah. Let's get started. We're going to put this thing together right now. All right, step one of how to put your wheels together. That's not the first step. Step one, we're going to put the wheel on the ground and get it prepped for insertion of your rim. So, get some soapy water. Get some spit, whatever you need to do to make this thing nice and lubricated. And you just get in there, just put it on, wipe it around so it can nice be slippery. And you throw that shit in there. Boom, step one done. Oh! Well, good thing this is the last one. Hold on. Alright, step two. Grab your rim. Take the Beadlock off. Put it to the side. Don't scratch it. It's brand new. Grab the rim. Flip it. Make sure that whatever tire that you're using, tire combo you're using, are not directional. We don't have directional wheels, so you can put this thing in wherever you want. Throw that thing in there. You gotta give it some force. Fuck! Boom. Step two, complete. Step three, we don't have a 5-gallon bucket for it to sit on, so we have the next best thing. Old girl ice cooler. Pick it up, roll it over. You want to make sure it sits flush. Oh shit. Sits flush right on there. And you want to make sure that the outer bead sits around the rim as centered as possible on the rim, so your Beadlock can go down and squeeze it really tight. Yeah. It's a little work, but you know, gets the job done. Boom. Look at that. Boom, sitting in there. Now you grab your Beadlock. You can see here that it says inside where it's going to meet the bead is outside. All right, put it on. Yeah. Step 2.5, 3, step 3, yeah, that's step 3. All right. After you lined everything up, move on to step 4. Good thing you have really deep pockets, because you keep all your bolts in there. Put it in there, you know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Make sure they don't cross thread. Yeah. Grab a socket to help me out. Alright, do that. Put the other one across from it so it helps setting this Beadlock down and squeezing this bead in. And we're all good. Alright, step 4 is complete. Now, you can do this by hand. I'm lazy, so I got my zappy zap gun, so I can put these things down. Don't know the torque spec, but I'm going to set it to gluten tight. See that? Oh, gluten tight. And you do like how you're putting on the wheel, you do a star pattern, or just across from each other because there's so many of them, I lose track. So I just got to put it. Alright, step whatever we were just on. Yep, step 6. Yep, thank you, cameraman. Now, after the gluten tight is done, I set it to extra gluten tight. And then I just go around it one more time to make sure it doesn't pop off and I die on the road. Yeah, that's great. Extra gluten tight is done. Now, all we need is air. Yeah, I go over here real quick. Now, I'm a sissy boy when it comes to loud things unexpectedly, so I got my cool guy earmuffs on while I'm filling it up. Well, so this is how it's going to look right now. So I look on the back, we got all the lubrication to the tire. So after you fill it up with air, I'm only putting these to 20 psi because that's what I was running on the rig already with the 30-inch tires. So just fill it up, back bead's going to pop up, it's going to sit right on this lip right here. After that's done and it's all sealed, I'll show you what I do after to make sure it's all sealed. Let's see, backside. No, backside is set. Alright, so after it's fully sealed, you can see it hit the second bead, or the rear bead, whatever you want to call it. I take another nice little glob of soapy water and just rub it around just to make sure we don't see any air bubbles forming around. Now it's looking pretty good. I don't see anything starting to bubble up, and you'll notice, you'll see if you have an air bubble. Alright, I just check one more around the rim, front end of the rim itself. Valve seal, same thing, looking for air bubbles. I just like to be extra cautious because I'd rather figure it out now than put it on the card, then find out it's wrong. So we look like we're good. You can take, then now you just continue filling it up to what PSI you want it to be. Alright, step 27 is complete. Now, that's the fun part. Take this off. That's the fun part. You get to put the tire on. That's the fun part. Oh no, what the hell? The hell is this? Oh shit breaking already. What the fuck is this?
That goes on the valve stem.
This part?
Mm-hmm. It just pushes on.
Oh, okay. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh god, that scared me. I was like, oh shit, something just fell apart. Alright, it's pretty Alston cutters. Right on there. Roll that thing. Oh shit. Out the way. Alright. Step 43. Take your whole tire off. Don't forget about this step because it's very important. You rims and tires and your whole tires are on. Yeah. But what I'm doing a little different. I don't know if it's really different, but I don't know. I like stance, right? Not camber or some crazy offsets or anything like that. I wanted a little bit more spaced out. So I'm putting a high lifter 2-inch spacer on it so I can just have a little bit of more aggressive stance to work with. It's just too sudden. And also I didn't get the right offset of wheels that I wanted for that stance. High lifter 2-inch spacer, pretty heavy duty. You can see a big chunk of aluminum here. We should be fine. It shouldn't break or put strain on the hub. I don't know. Whatever, we're gonna run it. We got it, we're gonna run it. I don't care. Ah, there it is. So now, say 19-inch. Start off by hand. So, I don't really know the torque spec of these either. I looked around online, but I'm just gonna set it to 80 foot-pounds. Hopefully things don't fall off. I'm racing. New rim tire combo spacer is one. Then we got these little pretty bug nuts too to make it fit. So we can put some black nuts on it. Oh, I mean, got your special key tool here. See, look. Now, when you're headed to a race, you don't have to worry about somebody stealing your stuff because you need a special key to take it off. There we go. All right, guys. So, that's it. It's all done. Obviously, we gotta torque it down. I'm gonna torque these lug nuts to also 80 foot-pounds. It should be fine. We'll find out. You'll probably find out in another episode. I think it was horribly wrong. Now it's telling you don't put it to 80, put it to higher. But yeah, all done. Just put it on the ground, torque it down, and we're gonna see how the stance is. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you guys are doing something like this and trying to figure out how to do your own Beadlocks and put them on without paying, what was the price, like $35 per tire to put this together, you can just do it at home. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, hit that like button, hit that follow button if you're new. Share it with a friend who's doing it or who's thinking about putting Beadlocks on their side by side or the rig. You never know, it might also help. Well, that's going to cut it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in to another glorious episode. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later.